Hey guys, so today as you can see we're playing Toca Life. So yeah. Let's go to my house, and today is gonna be a little episode of their Okay, so his room is a little messy. This is their little brother's room. So we're just gonna clean that up. So yeah, we're just gonna clean that up really quick and close that. It's just a little bit messy. Oh, we can't put that in there, I guess. We're just gonna put that on the dresser then. And now this is their parents' room, and we're gonna turn that TV off because they're not even watching it. And then these are the twins. I actually don't have a name for them, surprisingly. My dogs are fighting. Don't mind them, please. But I I haven't even found a name for them. But anyways, we're gonna name them throughout the episode. This is their mom and this is their dad. So yeah. Let's get into today's episode. See, this what y'all ain't. Sorry, that was me talking to. Oh my goodness. My dogs are literally. Oh my god, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna take them out the room because they are making too much noise. God, they're so annoying. But anyways, sorry for that. Let's get into the episode. Okay. Oh, and these are their two dogs. Sorry about that. That's my guinea pig, but yeah, don't mind him either. Okay, so we finally got all of them settled. I gave my guinea pig some water, and that's what he wanted. So, anyways, let's get into the video since we got everything relaxed. Okay. So, you girls can go in your room. I'm gonna put your brother down for a nap. So, yeah. But, Mom, can we have a snack first, please? Didn't we just come from the cafe? Yeah, but please. Yeah, please, Mom. Please. Okay, sure, one snack. Alright, now let me put your brother down for a nap. Now, make it seem like he's sleepy. There we go. Alright, he's asleep. So, okay, you girls can have one snack, okay? They don't have any food in their fridge. Oh my goodness. Anyways, okay, so they did have some snacks over there, so that's good. Why isn't she? Okay, she won't eat it for some reason. Hold on. Okay, now. There she goes. There she goes. Alright, now let's go downstairs to our room. Okay, now they're downstairs. Let's get them out of the elevator. And their room had to be downstairs because there were no more rooms upstairs, sadly, because their little brother's room is upstairs, but it's okay. So here's their room. They have a couch in their room, but they're just gonna sit in here and watch some TV because they just came from the cafe. And yeah, so they're just gonna watch TV, and we're gonna go back upstairs because he has to go to work now. Okay, so let's get the dad all ready for work. He's already ready, but we're just gonna let him go to work now. Alright, bye, honey. Bye. Okay, well, I don't want to just be sitting here, so I'm going to see and, well, I'm going to clean up while everyone is calmed down and taking naps and stuff like that. We're gonna put all the dishes in the dishwasher. Wait a second, oh, well, first let's put this one. Now I'm gonna go over here and close that. Get this. Oh, that's all the bathroom stuff. We can actually leave that in the bathroom because it goes in the bathroom. So we don't need to take that out. We can make sure he's still sleeping. Yep. So, we have to put that in there. And there we go. All out. Alright, you doggies go play. But don't go by the pool, okay? Come on, let's go this way. Okay. Now, I'm gonna start cooking dinner actually. So, what should I make tonight? Let me think about it. Ooh, I know. I'll make potato cakes like I always do. And if you guys don't know what potato cakes are, they're just cheese and potatoes. Like you bake them and yeah. So yeah, that's what she's gonna make. Okay. La 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 la. Okay, now let's put this together and then put it in the oven. Okay, one is done, so let's take that out now. And this is how she does it. All she does is first she toasts it, close that up, then take it out and put it together, then heat it up again. So yeah. She's gonna finish making all of them, and then she's gonna come back when they're all done. Okay, the last one is in the oven. Now we're going to take it out. Now we have to put them on plates. Okay, now we got everything set up and time to get the drinks. Well, actually, we can drink after we eat. So now I'm gonna call the girls up and I'm going to tell them dinner is ready. Okay, so, alright. So, I'm home and I just got a text from. Okay, so I just got a text from your mom and she said that dinner is ready. So, you girls come upstairs with me. Okay, Dad. Turn off the TV. Now, let's go. So, I'll get in the elevator and go upstairs. Alright, I'm glad you got my text and you actually seen it, because I did not want to go downstairs and get the girls. And that's why you girls need to start taking your phones down there and stop leaving them up here. Sorry, Mom, we forgot. But yeah, let's all sit down. Alright. I'm gonna go wake Todd up. Okay, yeah, you go do that because I almost forgot. He's so quiet in here. Todd, wake up. It's time to eat. Is it time for me to go to pre-K yet? No, not yet, but it will be probably soon. Alright. Okay, everybody, let's say our grace. God is good, God is graceless. Thank you for our food, God has us figures, Lord does work. Amen. Okay, now, what do you guys want to talk about? First, let's talk about my job. I just got promoted. That's why I got off of work so early. Oh my goodness, honey, that is great. Yeah, Dad, that's so good. Yeah, how much do you make now? I don't know. He hasn't told me. He just told me that I got promoted for being a good manager. Well, that's good. Well, our day was pretty smooth. I love when we went to the new cafe that just opened up. That was so fun, Mom. I know, yeah, that was really fun. Yeah, that was really fun. But Mommy, why do I always have to stay here? Well, go to daycare when you guys go to work. I hate daycare. I'm ready to go to pre-K. I told him that he will have to go to pre-K probably next year or in a few years. Yeah, you got a long way ahead of you because like pre-K, that's a really big thing. You'll probably be in daycare for a little while longer because you're only like 3. Well, I'm ready to go to pre-K. Now they're all gonna eat. Mom, that was delicious. That is my favorite dinner that you always cook. Yeah, that's my favorite too. I love that dinner. But anyways, I'm gonna put all the dishes in the dishwasher so you won't have to do it, honey. Aw, thank you. That's so sweet. No problem. Now come back over here and get everybody's plates. And then I'll fix the drinks. Aw, you guys are being so sweet. Thank you. No problem, Mom. Alright, now let me close the dishwasher. And I'll help you with the drinks. Okay, thank you. Okay, we got all the cups. You hand me the cups and I'll Well, we'll both pour the drinks. Okay. Now got this cup. Wait a second. Got that one. And we got this one. Okay, got 2 cups. And here you go. You do one, and then I'll do one. Okay. There. Now you do one. Okay. And Dad, what did you want? Oh, I wanted lemonade. Okay. Okay. This is for you, Dad. And this is for you, Mom. Okay. Now, I do Todd and you do me. Well, I do Todd and then you could do me and you. Okay. Oop. Why is it? Okay. Todd, what do you want? I want strawberry juice. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Now I'm going to do me and Maya. And she wants chocolate milk like always. And I'll take lemonade like that. Okay, here's your chocolate milk. And we all do cheers now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Cheers! Mommy, me and you have the same. Yeah, we do. Alright, well, I'm kind of getting tired. So I'm gonna head to bed. And I'm not gonna go to sleep right away. So guys. And yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna finish drinking my juice. And then I'm gonna probably go downstairs. Are you coming downstairs after you're done? Yeah, probably. Mommy, can I please go downstairs tonight? Well, if your sisters want you to. Please, can I sleep with you guys, please? Okay, fine. Yeah, you can sleep with us. Yay! I'm gonna hurry up and finish my juice. Okay, I'm done. Are you guys ready yet? No, we're still drinking our juice. You guys are such slow pokes. Mommy, tell them to hurry up. You can't rush anyone, okay? Okay. Okay, now we're done, Todd. Now, let's go downstairs. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Good night, honey. Good night, sweetie. Good night. Okay, Todd, this is your first time sleeping with us, so there's going to be no kicking if you sleep with me or Maya. Okay? Okay. Okay, first I have to go check if anyone's outside. So I'll be right back. Gotta make sure. Okay, doesn't seem like anyone's out there, so we're safe. Plus, we have cameras, so. Alright, we're gonna watch a little bit of TV before we go to bed. We don't go to bed, like, straight away, so, yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna sleep on the couch. Okay. Look at them. They said they don't go to sleep right away. They're already asleep before me. Well, I guess I'm gonna go to sleep too. So, yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna tidy up a bit. And go and turn off that kitchen light because we don't need that anymore. There we go. Okay, well, I'm not gonna go to bed right away. I'm probably gonna read a book or something. I'm gonna do that in the morning actually, because I don't want to miss my favorite part of my book and then accidentally go to sleep. So, let me take my glasses off and turn off this TV. There. Now. The next day. I'm the first one woke. Now I'm gonna wake my sisters up. Hey! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Todd, why would you wake us up like that? Yeah, why would you wake us up like that? That's so mean. Well, I was just trying to scare you this morning. Well, you did a very good job at it. I know. Now I'm gonna do it to Mom and Dad. No. Don't do that. You know they like to get their rest before they have to go to work. Fine. Phew. Well, since you woke us up this early, I guess we should get some breakfast. Well, yeah. Let's go upstairs. Okay. Wait, we never turned off the TV? Oh, Lord. Okay, let's get in the elevator, go upstairs. So I don't wake Mom and Dad up. Okay, now we're upstairs. Let's go, and I'm gonna fix us some cereal, okay? Okay, yay, I love cereal. Okay, got 3 bowls off the cabinet. Now, time to pour the cereal. Alright. We pour the first bowl. Okay, got the cereal. Yay, I love Frosted Flakes. Now, we're going to put the milk in. No, actually, do you guys want to just pour the milk inside of a cup and then we can add as much as we want to our bowl? Yeah, because I see them do that on commercials sometimes. Yes, I want to do that. Okay. Well, let me get some cups and... Okay, let me get some cups. We just need 3. There we go. Now. Okay, now let's pour the milk. Okay. Oops. There. Now, I'm gonna put my bowl over here. And then, here's your cup of milk. Don't spill it, okay? Alright, let's put that in the fridge. Oh, I guess they left their drinks out. Let's put their drinks in the fridge too, so they won't be spoiled. And mine and Todd's. Please make sure he doesn't make a mess. Okay, I won't. I mean, I will. And I won't make a mess. Okay. Okay, they ate. And now, all done. All done. Okay, and let me put all the dishes in the dishwasher. Now close it up. And what do you guys want to do now? It's going to be boring until Mom and Dad except we have to go to school and everything. So, what do you want to do? Since you woke us up so early, Todd. Well, I'm sorry about that. What should we do? Let's play with the dogs. Oh yeah, I forgot that we even had a new dog. Yeah, let's go play with them. Hey, Fluffy, you're so cute. Hey, don't forget about Cookie. Yeah, Cookie's and Cream. Don't forget about him just because he's not as new as that dog. I didn't forget about him. I just want to give him some attention too. Oh, well, okay. Now it's my turn. Aw, he's so cute. Let me play with Fluffy. I mean, with Cookie. I got their names mixed up. They're so cute, aren't they? Yes, they are. They're so cute. Hello, Fluffy. She's so fluffy. And then Cookie is just over there. He's so cute with his black fur. Alright, should we take the dogs downstairs? Yeah, let's take them downstairs. Okay, let's go. Come on, Todd. Coming. Okay, now let's sit in the living room and watch TV. Alright. Time for me to wake up and get my glasses on. Looks like the kids have already been up here. Wow, they were up early. Let me go see what they're doing. Kids, we're right here, Mom. Why were you guys up so early? Wanna ask Todd that? Wait, Todd, did you wake them up again? Yeah, sorry. I remember he did that a long time ago when you guys were still in kindergarten. Yeah, I remember that. Well, you guys have to go to school in a little while, so be ready. Oh yeah, we gotta change our clothes. And you, mister, have to get everything ready for you for daycare. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Well, I'm gonna go change upstairs. Alright, come on. And we have to change our clothes. Okay, now let me go and change your clothes. And your dad better wake up before he's late for work. Alright, now let's change your clothes. Beep, 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 beep. There's my alarm. Now I have to get myself ready for work. Well, I'm already in my uniform, so I guess I'll just take a shower, wash this, and then I'll be ready for work. I forgot the shower was downstairs. Moving into new houses, you just forget everything. And yes, guys, their house is a little bit crazy. Their shower had to be downstairs because they had no room for it upstairs. Crazy, right? Hi, girls. Good morning. Good morning, Dad. What are you doing? I'm about to take me a shower and wash my clothes for work. Alright. Well, since everyone else is getting ready, let's go get ready too. Okay. Leave the dogs here. And let's go. Hi, Dad. Hi, girl. That's my dog. Don't mind them. Anyways. Alright, I feel like we wear this outfit too much. No, we wear it every single day. Exactly. I feel like we wear it too much. Well, we love this outfit, so we're wearing it again today. I want to match with something else. Fine. Oh, you're so annoying. No, you're so annoying. What are you talking about? Alright, I'm done. Now, gotta go get my other work clothes out the wash machine. Out the dryer, actually. Hopefully they're dried by now. Well, I guess since you didn't want to change, then we'll just wash this. Well, I'm going to ask Dad to wash it because he's already washing clothes. Okay, well, let's go downstairs. See, Dad is already up here. Dad, can you please wash my clothes before you go to work? Sure. Come on, let's go downstairs. Okay, now I have to wash your clothes too. Let me go see what the girls are doing. Where are they? Girls! Here we are, Mom. Ugh. Aw, you girls look adorable. Shh, I see you finally changed your outfit. She made me change my outfit. Ugh. Well, you girls look so cute. I know, right, Mom? Our new outfits are so cute. Now, did you guys change your headbands on purpose, or you just didn't want to match today? Well, we changed them on purpose so that our teacher would be able to tell this time. You know that she went crazy last time because she didn't know which one was which? I did not even know that. Yeah, she did. It was so crazy. Well, will you stop looking all mad? Ugh, fine. Alright, I'm gonna drive you girls to school and you're come back and get your brother Todd because he's washing his clothes. He wants to wear the same thing. Yeah, I wanted to wear the same thing too. Well, I'm glad you did because you look so cute in your overalls. Alright, come on, girls. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna wash Todd's clothes and get them all ready for when you come back. Okay, bye. Bye, Todd. Bye, Todd. Bye. See you after school. Alright, come on, girls.